Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Good evening, Shibija madam.
Good evening, good evening.
Good evening, everyone.
मेरे स्पीकर ऑन किया हुआ स्पीकर ऑफ ही देती
Hello. Good evening, Sujata madam.
Good evening, everyone. Dinesh sir, we can start now.
That only I'm asking. Can I start now? So let other
Yes,
students
yes,
may
we
join
can
in
start.
between. Let them come.
Yes, yes, we can start now
Because
because
time.
already 10 minutes, 5 minutes over.
Yeah. Okay. I'm
Can
starting.
start.
Good evening, Shibija madam.
Today's meeting I'm recording also, madam.
Yeah. Very good, very good.
Okay.
We can start now.
Yeah. Attendance I'm taking at the end.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
Okay, madam. So I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
All of you can off your videos so that we can get better bandwidth. All of you off your videos. Sarojit sir, off your video. So see, Google Form is not a app or any software which we can install like Zoom. Google Form is a service which is provided by Google. So for that, every time you have to open Google Chrome and we have to sign in Google Forms. So it is not an app, it is a service. So every time I'm showing it like this, you have to go to google.coin, preferably in the Google Chrome browser. In the mobile also Google Chrome browser is there, and you have to search like this Google Form sign in, like this Google Form sign in. Like this option you'll get Google Form sign in. When you click this, normally it will ask for your Gmail account and password, but already I am signed in. So this is It's a one-time activity. Like in Zoom also, first time you have sign in with your Gmail account and password. So here also when you click this, so this is the home screen of the Google Forms. You can find it here already. Whatever the forms you have designed, that is down here, and up we have different templates. Now the form, we are not going to do this blank form. We are going to do Google form quiz. So this is the blank quiz we'll design for our exam. Will require Google form quiz and not the form. So in the form you cannot give any marks. You can give marks only in the Google quiz. So you have to take this blank quiz. Once you sign in, like this interface you will get, you have to click this blank quiz. Once you click blank quiz, you will get like this interface. In this, first of all, you have to save the form by giving the name here. Here, blank quiz is the default name you are getting on the, here my mouse cursor is there. For example, here I'm writing the form name as standard 7th B, like this only. Any name you can give here, whichever standard you are making, or subject also name you can give here, standard 7B computer, like that. Then here you have to provide the headings. Now some standard heading madam has already given to me, so that I'm typing here. So all forms will be same. From the top you have to give the heading as school's name, will give JVMs. Junior College Kalwa. Then below that, first unit test. To give year. Here standard. See, our link will be separate for separate division. So you have to give your standard division also. Like here I've given 7th B. And subject. Here am I taking, let's say, computer. And then marks. So like this standard design madam has provided. So like this will design on the heading, school's name and this unit test and the standard division, subject and the marks. Then this is the below part, untitled question. Here we have to design different types of questions. When you click this, you will get this choice. There are different types of questions in Google Forms. This many varieties, there are short answer, paragraph, MCQ, checkbox, drop down, but we are only going to use this MCQ and the short answer. Now short answer, we cannot provide any marks. In MCQ only we can give marks, but short answer we will require to collect the names and the roll number of the student. That is also required. So for that we are going to use this first short answer. So I'll give the
Dinesh sir,
yes.
Dinesh sir, 1 minute interrupting you.
Yes,
Sorry
sir.
for that.
Okay.
But where a student name, roll number,
Yes. That
where
only
we
I'm
will
telling
write
now. That
student's
only
name,
telling.
roll number.
That only I'm telling now.
Okay, fine.
Short answer, we are going to collect name. That only I'm telling design. That only. Okay. So here we are going to write here student name. So for the student names, I taken short answer. The short answer design I taken for student name. So I'll give the heading as student name, and below this students will write their name. And here we don't provide any answer key. Here no marks are there, and this we can make it required field. Now you have to click this required option because so that it will be compulsorily attempted by the student. So this will be required. Here you have to click here required on. Once you click required on, that means that question, if student is not answering, then his form will not get submitted. So any question, if you want to make it compulsory, you have to click this required on. Now for the once you type anything, everything is automatically saved in the Google Forms. There is no save button. You can see nowhere is the save button. Once you type anything, once you do anything, everything is automatically saved online in the Google Forms. Now I will take another question. So for this, as next question, you have to click this plus sign, which is given here as add question. There are so many things you can add. Regarding that, we will see afterwards. But this is for plus sign up is for add a question. So I will add another question now. First, I designed for student name. Now I will design it for the roll number. Though I taken there automatically, I written the roll number. It has made it short answer. Otherwise, if you have taken any other thing like this multiple choice, you can change it from here to short answer. But Google automatically, once I written roll number, it has done automatically short answer this field. And here short answer, they will provide the roll number in this box. Now, if you want only digit form roll numbers, you have to first of all you have to make it required, and then here these three dots are there. This you will click, and you will right click here response validation. Here response validation. If you click here, then it will be show here number. So this will accept only numbers. You can give here number, let's say less than 80, because we have less than 80 students only. Nobody having, no class having more than 80 students. And you can give a error message also that only numbers or only digits should be typed. Students will be understood only digits to be typed. So this way we are designed this roll number, and here this will accept only numbers. This we are done with the help of this. When you click these three dots with the help of response validation, so it will be validated by the Google form. So if students try to type text here, his form will not be accepted. It will be, he has to type in digits only his roll number. So we have designed these two things, student's name and the roll number. Now we will move on to our exam questions. To distinguish between these two, we can add here a title. Once again, here a title. The title is there. In this title, we cannot type any question, just the heading we can use. So we can distinguish these two sections. Upper section is for providing the personal, like we are providing a horizontal line in the question paper, a type question paper. So we can add here, add title. So here I can give any title, like question paper or anything. That we can decide what title we can give in depending upon the different question. But you can add here a title whichever one. After this title, I will give now the actual questions. So I'm making this paper now only for 2 questions. So we will see full procedure, what we have to, how to make the question paper, and then how to upload and see the response. For that only I'm making these 2 questions, and afterwards we will discuss how to make different questions for different subjects. So I'm making one very simple question. You can give a number if you want. Question number 1. Now you have to provide here different options. Let's say option 1 is the second option. Like that, any number of options you can give. Now this question we have to provide marks and the answer key. Answer key is very important. You have to provide correct answer key. If your answer key is wrong, it will get wrong. It will give marks to wrong answer also. So answer key, you have to provide your answer keys, and we have to provide here which answer is correct. So I will click this Delhi, and I will here give increase to how many marks you want. I want it of 1 marks. So this question is 1 marks, and the answer key is Delhi. This you have to do, and after that you have to click this done button. If you are not clicking this done button, it will not be saved. So answer key is very important. You have to verify the answer key again and again, because if you provide a wrong answer Mumbai, it will give marks to Mumbai. And here you have to assign the points. How many marks you want to give? This question is a 1 mark, so I will give here 1 points. Now I will make another question. So you have, for giving another question, you have to click again this plus sign. Now Google automatically will take the previous type. Previous type was multiple choice. So here also it is selected multiple choice. Now let's say this question I'm designing with a different way. Here I am giving the question, but options I will give with the photos.
Sir, here you have not this one clicked required for what is the capital of India.
Yeah, for all everyone I will require at the end I will do for all the questions.
Okay.
I will do that. Okay. Which among Like this question I can give here. Here in the question paper, in this instead of typing, you can give photo also of the question. Just click this, and you can give the photo of the question also. If you have taken the photo from the book, that can be used for maths or other subjects. You can take the photo also. Photos can be provided in the form of question also and in the form of options also. Now I'm here give question I typed here, and options I am giving in the form of the photos. So let if option 1 I am giving the photo, which I can upload from my computer. Already I saved some photos. Then one more option I will give here. So this way you can give any number of options. Here I am given only 2. Now for this I will give an answer key. So this first one is right. And I will give here, let's say here I am giving 2 marks now. And I have to click done here. Now for this question paper, let's see remaining procedure. We'll make the this question paper only 2 questions, and we will see remaining what to do. So let me first make these required fields. So now question paper has been made. Now you can preview this question paper here. You can see this eye icon is there, preview. Eye shape icon is there. You have to click this. So you will understand how the paper looks when the students will on in the Google Chrome. Like this, the question paper they will get. So you can take a preview of what you have designed. So this way they will get the question paper. Now once you have designed this, I will go back to the home screen. Now this question paper will appear here automatically by the name which you have provided. That standard 7B was the name I given here. Once you click this, now when our exam is there, now question paper is ready. Now you have to provide the link. Before that, some settings you have to do. That settings I'm showing here. This is the settings icon. In this, let's move on here. We have to, first of all, we have to do require sign in, limit to 1 response. You have to check this box, limit to 1 response, so that student will attempt 1 time only. Otherwise they can attempt multiple times the paper. So we have to limit them to 1 time only. So we have to give here limit to 1 response. So from 1 mobile phone, they can attempt only 1 time the this paper. Then in the presentation, afterwards I will send a screenshot of this also. Presentation. Here you have to not to click anything. This shuffle question order, not to click anything. Then this quiz is already it is given here. Make this quiz. If you are designed in form and you have to convert the form into quiz, you have to make this checkbox. You have to use this, make this quiz. If you are designed in form, but directly we are taken in quiz, so this option is already enabled. Now here grade, release grade, you have to not this option you have to take later after manual review. When you click this, automatically Google's add one more field of email collection. So when writing the paper, students have to provide their email now, because we have taken the second option later after manual review. You cannot take this option immediately, otherwise they will get immediately the result of the paper. So you have to take second option later after manual review, and from this we have to remove all the checkbox, because missed questions will show them, which will show them that which answer is incorrect, that it will show. Then correct answers will show them which are the correct answers they are having, and point values will give them immediately marks. So we have to remove all these 3 options. Just we have to take this option, make this quiz, and later after manual. These are the settings we will do. In general, we have to click here, limit to 1 response. Now see, this option is automatically checked here, collect emails, because in the quizzes we have taken this later after manual review. So this turns on email collection in the general here. Afterwards, if you want to give them the response receipt, that means what they have typed, that you can give it. If you check this box, they will get the on their email, they will get what answers they had given, not the marks, not the correct answer, only what they had written, that they can get if you click this response receipt. So let's save this. Once you have saved the results, this result, you have to go through once again that answer key if you have provided right or wrong. Then we can make the link by for making this, click this send button and go to this link, second option, link icon is there. In this, click the shorten URL and click copy. And now this copied link, you can directly paste it in the WhatsApp, or for timing, I'm saving it in the this notepad. I'm making one notepad and I'm showing you. So like this link will get. So this link you can send to the students on their WhatsApp group so that they can join on their paper. So once this link is been sent, we have mentioned a duration 45 minutes. Let's see how to limit the duration to 45 minutes. Now, once the paper has been given to the students, they have attempted the papers. Suppose our paper starts at 9 and 9:45. We have to go to this, you have to open Google Form and go to these responses. And you have to click this accepting responses. You have to off this. You have to off this accepting responses. So further, if they try to attempt the paper, the response will not be recorded. So this is very important. Once the time is over, you have to go to these responses and you have to click this option. Now let's there's that paper which I made, I will attempt it and I will show you how the marks you will get. I will click this preview.
Sir,
Yes.
just one question. That otherwise that responses option is always on.
Which response option?
Just now you
Yes,
said
yes.
no.
The response option is by default always on. You have
Default
to
is on.
explicitly you have to off it.
Okay, okay.
From the
Thank
mobile
you.
also I will show you, because in the when the exam will be there, everybody will not having this laptop or desktop. So from mobile
Okay.
also we can off it very easily. That app I'm going to show you afterwards.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
So your email here.
Dinesh sir, email is necessary for students.
The email they have to provide, because otherwise I shown you that two options are there. Means result immediately, or second option is later on. So if you take the later on, then they have to provide the email option. If you want to give the result afterwards, then they have to provide the email Gmail ID. This field automatically they are getting.
But if some student will say we don't have email ID, then
No, they without email ID, Google Form will not on only in their mobile phone.
oh,
And their
so this we have to tell
Zoom,
students.
their Zoom application is also not getting on without Gmail ID. So they cannot tell that we don't have any Gmail ID. Their Zoom application is also getting on with the Gmail ID only. So they cannot tell that we don't have Gmail ID. Otherwise, they won't be able to attend a Zoom app also.
Okay.
So they have this email ID. Every mobile, when you Android mobile, when you on it, we have to provide the Gmail ID. Otherwise, Android will not work only without Gmail ID.
Acha.
Some
Okay,
Gmail
fine.
account is necessary to on any Android mobile.
Okay,
If you're
fine.
using
Okay.
iPhone, it's not necessary, but when you are using Android mobile, that means you have the Gmail ID.
Acha. Okay.
So I will submit this now. So you will get like this, student will get like this, your response will be recorded. This message you can change afterwards if you want. So now see here, I can get one response. You can see here, you got one response is here. So just now I filled that. So if I click the responses, now this you can see here, I get all the response in different ways with different charts, but we are interested only marks. So I'm showing here, this is the spreadsheet we can create here, or the Excel sheet. Just we have to click this plus sign here and click create. You can give the name also, whatever name, if you want to change the name here. By default, it is given the same name of the file name, standard 7B responses. You can change your own name also and click create. So this way Excel sheet you will get. In this you will get the response sheet. At the timing also you will get here what time the student has submitted, their Gmail ID and the score. Here I got 3 out of 3. So from here you can collect the marks. And also the answers which I have provided, that also is being shown here. Is name, roll number, and what is the answer given for the first, which option selected, that option only will be given here. First option I taken this and secondly. So this way we will get the complete result in this Excel. And the other way is to take the result by downloading. Complete result you can download also by clicking these 3 dots. Here download responses is there. Once you this you have to do after clicking this off, accepting response off, then you can click this and download response you can do. So that also will create a Excel sheet in the zip form. So both ways you can see the result directly by clicking this, but this result Excel spreadsheet is online, without net will not work. But once you download it, you can see it without net also. Once you download this in the zip form, and in that also Excel sheet is there. Like this zip form, I have to unzip it. Just like this, you will get one file, standard 7B. In this also, complete result is available, and which you can see offline also afterwards. And you can share also to other teachers if you want to share. Here also, I'm getting the complete results. Same. It is also Excel sheet. So this is the complete procedure. Now let's discuss the questions. This way, these activities we have to do. First, we have to design. Once design is completed, we have to check the answer key here. Then you have to go to the settings, and some important settings you have to do, like limit to one response and quizzes. Remove all the checkboxes here, and later after a manual review, this option you have to take. Otherwise, if you take this first option, which is by default, immediately the students can see the results. And afterwards we have to click the send button and create a link from here, and you can shorten this link. So this way all this procedure you have to do during the exam. Now I'm showing one form which I already designed before, in which I have given different subjects wise questions. Now see, for a language study, we can directly insert one photo like this of the passages. This photo you can take by clicking this option here. I'm showing one more time this one. You can add a question, or you can take this title, or here also you can add this, or you can take add image also you can do. Let's take by the question. So here you can take this, click photo, browse. So this way I can add the passage here, and below that I can type the question in Marathi. For typing in Marathi, we can use the Pramukhi Me software. With the help of, we can directly type in Marathi here. So this way language students can make the question. Yes.
Can I ask one question, sir?
Yes.
Sir, instead of inserting that image, can we type that paragraph and
Yeah,
below
you can
that we
type
write-
also. You can type also, no problem. You can type
That
completely.
means
But for
allow, no?
quick, I told to not to waste time. I told to take the photo and insert there. You can type
Okay,
also.
that is
Typing is better way. You can, that also you can do. Typing also directly with the Pramukhi you can do there. Means question also you can type, and option also you can type. No problem.
Okay, so that much space they are allowing, no?
Dinesh sir.
Yeah, that much. They have unlimited space. No problem there.
Okay,
Space is unlimited there for question typing.
fine. Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Hello, Dinesh sir.
Can
Can you prepare the time 9 to 9:45 just for our exam, because they are going to attend this.
Timer we can give. One option is there. One extension you have to insert this. One extension you have to put. One app is there that you have to inbuilt in the Google form. Externally you have to add the one more app is there that you have to insert. That is called extensions. Google Chrome extension is there.
They are going to attend this exam
So
after
what will happen,
your
the
time.
Google form will automatically stop the time. But what the problem will come if suppose that time network issues there and you want to delay the paper. then it will be automatically off at that time only. We will not able to extend afterwards. Suppose that day students are facing a network issue, some problem is there, then we will not able to extend the time. Then time control will not be in our hand.
They can perform this test anytime or any day, like that.
Which one? Yes. No, once we set the
So
timer
suppose
there.
some network issue is there on that day.
So we can that we are this responses you are doing manually. No, you are offering this manually. So you can give extra 5-10 minutes if you want. That will depend. Then we decide this. So we give them time 5 minutes. Then we can give it if you are doing this accepting response manually. If you make it automatically and you that with the help of the extension, if you are giving timer, and those are extensions, so their validity is not. We cannot ensure the validity. Sometimes they're not working also properly because they are not part of the Google form. Google form is not providing any timer. We have to give extensions. Other party software you have to add it. Here see this add-ons written, no add-ons, add-on extensions. This you have to click, and in this that is Clearcore timer, and this you have to add. With the help of this you can do. But I seen that the timer sometimes is not working properly.
Dinesh
It
sir.
is not perfect.
Okay.
So
Dinesh
sir,
sir.
during the exam.
Dinesh sir, it means that how in the school we are giving paper and taking back.
Yes,
It
madam.
is like that.
Same way. How you are giving the paper manually and taking the paper, that we have to do. But I think for this, at least for unit test, we will see how to do it manually only. Because students may cause problems. We also may face some problems while giving.
Okay.
Then afterwards, we will see regarding these add-ons, and we have to add on. Everybody may not how to do it add-ons also. Because externally third-party app like that, you have to take it from there.
So sir, it means that what is time given in the timetable, on that same time we have to send the paper.
Yeah, there are 5 minutes before you can send on the WhatsApp, or 2 minutes before, 3 minutes before.
Okay.
And
5
minutes before we'll send, and suppose 9:45 is there, so 9 let's say 9 after 2-3 minutes we will go to the responses.
Stop that.
We will stop
accepting
response, we will stop that, and I will show one way to how to do it from mobile phone also. Actually,
Okay,
for that from I have to show it for 4 minutes are there. Let me share my screen, mobile screen. I will show it that also. Just 1 minute. 4 minutes are there.
Okay. Sir, but all teacher has to type paper, na? All teachers.
Yeah, if you want to make division wise, then it will be better to type. Everybody can type, and or
Everyone
like
should
in the
type,
school
no?
how you are doing. You are all people are typing, and you are choosing one paper. That also you can do. Anyway, you can do.
No, one paper only fill for all 5 divisions.
That also we can.
But,
But paper link will be different. Means here this link, the paper I made. No, this only for 7B. So paper questions will be same, but link we have to make different for different. Otherwise, the result will get mixed.
Yes. So
So
it's
it will be easier
better
for
all
just-
should type.
all will type, and they will make different link. So that link will go. Means 7B link will go for 7B only. 7th will go to 7th only. Link will be different. So that response sheet will be different for different divisions.
Acha.
If you make the same link, then response sheet all will get here only. All will get the marks. So we'll make different because every division having different teachers. Most of the teachers are different for the divisions. So we can make one link for all you also, but I think it is better to make different link for different divisions. So same paper everybody can type, or they can copy and paste also.
That only we are thinking.
Copy and paste also
one
option is
paper
there. I will show it that you have to do from the Google Drive. In the forms,
One
Google
paper
Forms, you
only.
cannot copy the form and make it another copy of that. But duplicate the form, you can make it with the help of Google Drive. I will show that.
Acha. Okay.
Wait, I will share my that mobile screen. Yes, I hope all of you can see my mobile screen now. 1 minute. which I'm showing, Forms app. This if you download it, and here the option is there, Google Forms. You can see Google Form option is there. When you click this, whatever form you have designed in the computer, that forms you can see here also. Because here also we have to provide the same Gmail ID which we have provided in the computer. Same we will get all the forms. Just now I designed that form. That also you can see here. Now in this you can see on the top forms active. So that responses, if you want to stop, here the option is forms active. If you click this and disable this, then the response will be stopped. So on the mobile also you can disable your responses. So here form status, you have to make the form inactive. Here the form option is active inactive. In the computer it was responses accepted. This same option is there. And from here also you can view the form. Your design you can view with the help of Google Chrome. But this is a third-party app, Forms app. In that also Google Form is integrated. So here it is showing here, see that form has been stopped collecting. So from here also you can do it.
So quiz can be prepared on mobile also.
Here also you can make it, but for typing is little bit here difficult to make the form here. Is from here also, if you are comfortable with typing on the mobile, you can make it from here also. Okay, so let me take the attendance. Stop the screen.
Sir, I have one doubt. Responses,
Yes.
sir, in the spreadsheet, they will come in ascending order.
Responses will come depending upon the timing, how they are submitting. The Google Sheet is sorted according to the timing, how they are submitting. With the student who has submitted first, that will appear on the top. Afterwards, you can sort it according to the roll number also. In the Excel, sorting option is there to sort the field according to the roll number. You can sort it. So we'll get the roll number wise all the marks.
Okay, thank you.
Roll number, that's why I made a roll number separate field.